Hello everyone, your C drive is full, Windows is screaming at you, and you have no idea how to fix it without deleting your photos. What if I told you that you can take space from D drive and give it to C in just a few clicks? No data loss, no reinstalling Windows. Let me show you how. First, you need to download and install MiniTool Partition Wizard. Let me show you how. Open any browser, go to the address bar at the top. Type minitool.com and press enter. This is the official MiniTool website. Now move your mouse to download Partition Wizard. You will see different versions. Look for the free edition. Under free edition, click download. The download will start. Once it finishes, open the installer and follow the setup steps. Just click next, next, finish. I already have it installed on my computer. Let me close this browser and open MiniTool. Here is the MiniTool Partition Wizard icon on my desktop. I will double-click to open it. Now we are ready to start. Part 1. Move 5 GB from C to D. My C drive has some extra space. My D drive is almost full. I will shrink my C drive by 5 GB and give that space to D drive. Here is how. Step 1. Shrink C by 5 GB. Select your C drive. You can right-click it or click it once and look to the left panel. Either way, choose Move Resize. Drag the right edge of the slider to the left, or type the 5 in the unallocated space after box. Click OK. 5 GB of unallocated space has been created. Step 2. Move the NTFS partition. Now look at the disk map. You will see the NTFS partition between the unallocated space and D drive. That is the one blocking the way. Move that NTFS partition. Choose Move Resize. Click and hold the middle of the slider. Drag it all the way to the left. This moves the NTFS partition to the left, pushing the unallocated space to the right. Click OK. The unallocated space is now next to D drive. Step 3. Expand D by 5 GB. Now select your D drive, choose Move Resize. Drag the left edge of the slider all the way to the left. Click OK. C drive is now 5 GB smaller. D is now 5 GB bigger. Step 4. Apply and restart. Click the blue Apply button in the bottom left corner, then confirm. The box will pop up saying Drive C is being used. This is normal. Select Restart and click OK. Your computer will restart. Do not press any keys. MiniTool will run before Windows loads. You will see a black screen with white text. Let it finish completely. Do not turn off your PC. Part 2. How to take space from D and give it to C. No restart. Look at my C drive. It has only 6 GB of free space. That is not enough. Windows will start giving me low disk space warnings. My D has plenty of space. I want to take 20 GB from D and give it to C. Here is how. Let me open my MiniTool Partition Wizard again. Here is my disk layout. C is almost full. D has space. There is NTFS partition between them. Let me show you steps. Step 1. Shrink D by 20 GB. First, select your D drive, choose Move Resize. Drag the right edge of the slider to the left to shrink D by 20 GB. 20 GB of unallocated space appears to the right of D drive. Step 2. Move D to the right. Now select D drive again. Choose Move Resize. Click and hold the middle of the slider. Drag it all the way to the right. This pushes D to the right, and the 20 GB of unallocated space moves to the left of D. Click OK. The 20 GB of unallocated space is now between D and the NTFS partition. Step 3. Move NTFS to the right. Now select the NTFS partition, choose Move Resize. Click and hold the middle of the slider. Drag it all the way to the right. This pushes the NTFS partition to the right, and the 20 GB of unallocated space moves next to the C drive. Click OK. The 20 GB of unallocated space is now next to C drive on its right side. Step 4. Expand C to the right. Now select C drive and choose Move Resize. The unallocated space is now to the right of C. Drag the right edge of the slider all the way to the right into the 20 GB of unallocated space. Click OK. C drive expands to the right and gains the 20 GB. Step 5. Apply. No restart. Now click the blue Apply button in the bottom left corner. A window will pop up showing applying operations with a progress bar. No restart prompt. It works immediately because we never shrunk C. We only expanded it. Let it finish. When it's done, C will have its original 6 GB plus 20 GB we took from D for the total of 26 GB of free space. And that's it. This is how you download, install, and use MiniTool Partition Wizard to move spaces between drives. Quick reminder, to move a whole partition without resizing it, click and hold the middle of the slider. To shrink or expand, drag the left or right edges. If you shrink C, you will need to restart. If you only expand C, no restart is needed. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more PC tutorials. See you in the next.